What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode brought to you by Backyard Zombie. I know it's been a while. I got sick. I don't know whether it was that or just a cold, but it really took me out for a couple of days. I had really bad congestion. I really couldn't work at all. I was bedridden for a couple of days, and I used that time just to relax, reevaluate some stuff, and I watched the new series, Dexter New Blood, with my old man, and we really enjoyed that show. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. But this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about some really cool stuff that I've been working on, some updates, and stuff to keep your eye out on because 2022 is still going on. It's still rolling strong. So yeah, let's get into it. So while I was sick, I didn't really come into this room a lot because I just wanted to stay away from stuff. And when I finally started feeling better, I came down here and I really just wanted to work on something, like some kind of craft project. And I've been watching a lot of like miniature videos, like Abandoned Miniatures and Boylai Hobby Time. Those are two YouTubers I'm going to include down in the description because if you just like watching people build stuff out of nothing, it's so cool. But I decided to build this little Evil Dead cabin, and I built this out of popsicle sticks and just random stuff I had lying around. There's the inside. You can see it's just cardboard. The base of this is cardboard, and it has some thin popsicle sticks as like the sides, and on the back I got some of the thicker like popsicle sticks, like mixing stirs, and on the inside I actually recycled some plastic to make these little windows because I put tea lights inside of this and it glows. Here, let me grab a tea light real quick and show you. So if you look really closely, you can see that it's glowing on the inside, and when I have this down, I can have both of the windows glowing with these little tea lights. And that was just something I did to keep out of boredom while I was sick, and it was a fun little project, and it's a nice little display slash like conversation piece, and it's the Evil Dead cabin, so it's super fun. Another prop I've been working on is I've been doing another Ghostbusters build. The Ghostbusters Afterlife is now available on digital, and I decided to do a video for when the Ghostbusters Afterlife is being released on Blu-ray and DVD when you can get it at home, because I'll be getting it on Blu-ray because I want to watch those special features. I've been watching all of the Adam Savage tested content about Ghostbusters Afterlife, and I have made or started to do a proton pistol out of another toy box build because I love doing toy box builds, and this is what I have so far for this like proton pistol. There is a bunch of just random toys on this. The actual gun itself is from like a Wii Sports or Wii just video game that involved a gun. You put the Wiimote up here, and that's what I got that. This is a lightsaber. There's a lightsaber here. Random Nerf pieces for the scope and for this like piece. This is for a Starbucks, like a pump for like vanilla and stuff like that. I got that at my hotel job. This is an Evil Ted. It's a resin pull Evil Ted like greebly, and then you know just the regular cord. And I'm going to paint this fusion black, add a bunch of Ghostbusters decal to it, and we'll have a proton pistol. So keep an eye out for another Ghostbusters video coming very, very soon. I can also finally announce that I am producing my first short film. Using Backyard Zombie Productions, I am producing a locally written script by my friend Miles Douglas Garrett, or just Miles as I call him. He is a local filmmaker here in the Youngstown area, and he's super talented. I'm actually going to link a short film he did while he was in college at YSU down below that I just fell in love with. We have some mutual friends, and I just reached out to him like, hey man, let's work on something. So we had a meeting. It went really well. Me and Miles have a lot in common about like our taste in movies and just like stuff that it makes our nerd come out, and I feel it's going to be a great working relationship. We did our second meeting this past week while I was sick. We did it over Zoom. We were very safe. And this week, we're actually going to cast it. We have our location set. We just need to find our cast. This is going to be like a super cool experience for me because I've acted on movie sets before, like independent films, but I've never been like in charge. I've never done like executive. This is like kind of like an executive producer kind of thing. So that's going to be really cool, being able to work on a set and not have to worry about acting, or I get to be behind the camera. So I'm actually really excited about that. And yeah, so I'm Rob Tabbert, he's Sam Raimi. We're just looking for Bruce Campbell, and then we'll be able to finally go into pre-production, and we're going to be updating the channel with news on that very soon because we're hoping to have it out by the end of February because it's a short film, and it's just going to be I gotta start ranting. I gotta stop ranting because it's gonna be fun. So keep an eye out for more news on that on the Instagram. Also, I'm very excited to announce that I'm working on a new series called Monster Makers. Monster Makers is going to be this really cool series that I'm going to do where I'm going to take a character that has already been on film or remade and reimagine it as if Backyard Zombie Productions is doing something with it, reimagining a remake something. But I'm going to show techniques to do costume weathering, makeup design, prop design, and show you guys how you can take these aspects and do stuff at home. It's going to be very cosplayer friendly. I'm going to be doing a lot of cool stuff with like stuff you can find from Michaels, Home Depot, Lowe's, stuff you can find locally. I'm big on thrifting, so we're going to do a lot of thrift shopping. There's going to be a lot of thrifty vlogs where I say, this is where we got the costume for this. And I can announce I have an actor who is going to be stepping in the role of Leatherface from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and I'm actually going to be pimping out this mask I made years ago to be his Leatherface mask, and I think it's just going to be a really cool experience and a really fun time and a cool series that I'm going to continue doing to hopefully get your brains a-buzzing, and, you know, also, even if it helps you with your Halloween costume, let's do it. It's going to be good. It's going to be fun. It's going to inspire people to go out and make something. So I'm really excited about that. Yeah. And lastly, I just want to thank everybody for your love and support. Thank you guys so much for supporting the Instagram, for buying stuff on the Teespring, for just liking stuff. It means so much to me. 2022, I'm going for it. We're just going to keep on going. We almost hit 100 subscribers. I know that's like triple digits. Okay, it's fine. I don't have like 100K yet, but I'm going for it. And 100 subscribers, that's a big freaking deal, especially on my actual YouTube channel. I have like 17 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for clicking on the videos, for liking the videos, for watching the videos, and thank you guys so much for supporting Backyard Zombie. I'm hoping I can have really cool content out for you guys to enjoy. Whether you're sitting at home on your couch or you're sitting on your lunch break, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.